Aloha everybody, Tracie here, back again. I wanted to do a short little a little bit of cultural information about poi. And the significance of poi to Hawaiians is that it comes from kalo or taro, and kalo is very significant to the Hawaiian people and our ancestry. So I have some video about kalo that I did in the past, but for today we're talking about eating poi with our meal. And so here I have a little bit of poi, and I bought it in the store. This is Hanalei poi, and I had some poi from my island, Hawaii Island, but I didn't eat them all, so I had to go buy from the store. And this is what poi looks like. Yeah, it's a little bit sticky. And you can see the poi here in the bowl. Most of you know what poi looks like. But the significance of poi in a meal for Hawaiians is that you see the stickiness of poi and the consistency. The Hawaiian mindset or the Hawaiian thought is whenever you eat together around poi, because it's sticky, see that how sticky it is, that our words would stick. Our words stick to the food that we eat, and because of the consistency of poi, it would stick to that. So what does that mean? That means that when we talk to each other around food, food brings us life, and so we should speak positively around the food that we're eating and the food that we're sharing together. Another interesting thing is that Hawaiians used to have poi bowls. Hawaiians would have poi bowls that they would share and eat their poi out of. Now this is just a bowl for myself, so it's small, but families would have these big poi bowls. Like my dad folks had these big poi bowls, and they would eat out of that same bowl. I know that still some people do that today. In light of COVID-19, I saw a post of somebody that I know. They stopped eating out of the same poi bowl just for that consideration of not wanting to transmit, things that you wouldn't want your family members, your ohana, to get. And so that was the significance of poi. It's a short little cultural tip for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to leave you with this olelo no'eau, or this Hawaiian proverb. And it says, "E ka mau iho i ka hoi, a pai aku i ke kula." E ka mau iho i ka hoi, a pai aku i ke kula. Dip in the paddle till you reach the shore, meaning keep dipping your finger into the poi until you've had your fill. I hope this has filled you up a little bit, and until next time, aloha. Ahui ho.